Boys and girls, today I want to tell you about something really cool. Today I want to tell you about a very fancy word. Today's very fancy word is this word right here. This word is persevere. Now, persevere is fancy for keep on trying, don't give up. Boys and girls, can you say persevere?
Persevere!
Perfect. Now, I just told you the story of the three little pigs. Now, remember the three little pigs had to go out into the world and build their own homes, right? Now, the first little pig built his house very quickly out of straw. He did not follow any plans. You remember we talked about an architect that he makes the plans for the building? Well, the first little pig did not follow any plans. He didn't even try. He just got some straw and stuck it together, kind of just piled it up and built that house. And what did the big bad wolf do?
Blow it down.
He just blew it down. He just took one deep breath and blew that thing right down, didn't he?
Yeah.
Now, the second brother worked a little bit harder. He started to put up his sticks, and the sticks fell down, and he tried again, but he didn't really have a plan. He didn't really have tools. He didn't try very hard. And what happened when the big bad wolf came to the stick house?
Blow it down.
He just blew it right down.
Except the other pig did have plans.
Yeah, well, you know what? You're right. That's what I was just going to say. The third little pig did this. He persevered. Persevered means he tried and tried and tried. Now, when the third little pig was building his house of bricks, when he first started, do you know what fell down? Did you hear that part of the story? It did. It fell down a few times. He got a little bit frustrated. It didn't go the way that he wanted, and he wasn't sure what to do, but he didn't give up. He persevered. Do you know what he did?
He went in the roof.
You know what he did? He thought about it. He thought, what other things can I do to figure out this problem of building my house? He thought, can I stack my bricks up a different way? What tools can I use to fix my house so it doesn't tip over? Do you know what he did? Called an architect. Remember the architect? He used his tools and he made a plan to build his house. It took him longer, boys and girls. That third little pig, his house took way longer to build than the straw house. Remember the straw house was just a pile? And then the stick house took a little bit longer because the second little pig tried a little harder. But the third pig did not give up. He tried again and again. Well, he's the smartest one, right? He did not give up. Now, I want to talk to you about learning things, boys and girls. When we learn things, I have a friend who's about to move his name. When we learn things, we can't give up. When we try things and it doesn't go our way, do you know what we need to do?
What?
Try harder. We need to persevere. We need to think the problem through, because you know what happens when we make a mistake? That's when we learn stuff. When it gets hard, that's when we learn. If everything was easy, boys and girls, do you know what would happen?
What?
Just like the big bad wolf would come and knock it right down. We have to challenge ourselves, and we have to persevere to try harder to learn things. So today,
I tried really hard.
you know what? You all try super, super hard. We don't give up. Let's say it. We don't give up. We persevere.
I
Today?
don't really get to persevere. I get doing something.
Well, we persevere through all of it. Guys, eyes on me. Thank you. Today for science,
I don't like persevere.
I have some tools. Here's the tools. I have some straw. I have some straws right here. I have some toothpicks right here. I have some Play-Doh. Oh my goodness, our house of Legos fell right down. Nope, that's all right. Just leave it where it is. Thank you. And I have some Play-Doh. Guess what we're gonna do? Oh,
Play-Doh.
listen. I want you guys to try your very hardest. Are you listening?
Yes.
To build a house of sticks or a house of straw that the big bad wolf cannot blow
What do you do with the
over.
Play-Doh?
You're going to use the Play-Doh to stick the pieces together. Some of you are going to build a straw house, some of you are going to build a stick house. I have a big bad wolf. We're going to see if the big bad wolf can blow your houses down. Now, these houses are going to tip over. These houses might blow over. You're going to have to persevere through the problem. You're going to have to listen. Think about if it falls down. What tools can I use? Who can I ask for help? What else can I try? That's what we're going to do, boys and girls. Got
This
it?
is so easy.
Wait till you see the big bad wolf. Okay?
It's gonna be
It's not me.